used outside the classroom. We've been ticking off the success criteria for the Gold Award so we can complete this target. Since we've been going for the Gold Award, I've noticed a big improvement on the staff's Welsh. My staff in Ysgol Sant Ffransis yn siarad llawer o Cymraeg. They don't just use it in Welsh lessons, they use it across the curriculum, out in the yard and in the corridor. Welsh here at St Francis has really become something natural. One of the success criteria for Targed is that the phone is answered in Welsh and people who come to the school are greeted in Welsh. Mrs Thomas is a big success story because she went from using no Welsh at all and now mae hi'n ansbawd geithus achos she answers the phone in Welsh and whenever anyone comes to the door she'll greet them in Welsh. She also uses bits of Welsh in her emails. Bob mis, rydyn ni'n ysgrifennu sgwrs mis. Mae 4 cwestiwn at 3 lefel. Lefel gwerth, lefel oren a lefel coch. Mae plant yn adran iau yn gweithio gyda partner a ymarfer y sgwrs mis. Pan mae sgwrs yn arbennig, rydyn ni'n recordio ar y iPad gyda Buddy Poke, Masquerade neu Shari Puppets. Bob mis yn y gwasanaeth, rydyn ni'n dewis pwy sydd wedi ennill y sgwrs y mis lefel gwyrdd, lefel oren a lefel coch. Mae sgwrs y mis yn helpu ni i siarad yn Gymraeg gyda fy ffrindiau tu allan y dosbarth. Shwmai! Ble ys ti a wyliau? Es i Sbaen a wyliau. Ble arhosais ti? Arhosais i mewn gwesty 3 seren yn y bwys y traeth. Sut oedd y tywydd? Roedd hi'n heulog bob dydd. Beth wnes ti? Es i bac dŵr o'r enw Splash World. Hwyl!
Shwmai. Ble es ti a wyliau? Es i Llundain a wyliau mewn car. Ble es ti a wyliau?
Es i Llundain a wyliau mewn car hefyd.
Ble arhosais ti?
Arhosais i mewn gwesty 4 seren ar bwys y canol y dref. Roedd yn hoffi gwesty achos roedd 2 pwchnofio mawr yno. Ble arhosais ti?
Arhosais i mewn gwesty 5 seren ar bwys y dref. Roedd hi'n hoffi gwesty achos roedd ystafell y mawr.
Sut oedd y tywydd?
Roedd hi'n helo bob dydd tua 24 gradd Celsius. Sut oedd y tywydd?
Roedd hi'n heulog a gymylog bob dydd tua 19 gradd Celsius.
Beth nes ti?
Es i Legoland hebos oedd yn wych am mawr. Dwi'n hoffi Legoland achos mae'n hwyl. Beth wnes ti?
Es i Piccadilly. Dwi'n hoffi Piccadilly achos mae'n hwyl.
Hwyl.
Es ti a wyliau?
Es i Sbaen a wyliau. Ble es ti a wyliau?
Es i Sbaen a wyliau. Ble arhosais ti?
Arhosais i mewn gwesty 5 seren y bwys y traeth. Ble arhosais ti?
Arhosais i mewn gwesty 5 seren a bwys y traeth. Sut oedd y tywydd?
Roedd hi'n heulog bob dydd. Sut oedd y tywydd?
Roedd hi'n heulog bob dydd. Beth wnes ti?
Es i barc dŵr o enw Splash World. Beth wnes ti?
Es i barc dŵr o enw Splash World.
Mis yma, mae cystadleuaeth newydd. Dydy ni ddim yn gweithio gyda partner yn yr ysgol. Rydyn ni'n gweithio gyda mam, tad, brawd neu chwaer.
Beth wyt ti'n fwyta i ginio?
Dwi'n bwyta bracdanau a creision i ginio. Dwi'n dylu bwyta bracdanau achos mae'n nhw'n fflasus.
Targed, also known as splat, croeso cylch, which is noughts and crosses, a question and covering, which is quick questions. This is available for everyone at any time for them to practice their Welsh outside the classroom.
Gilfac gemau. Gawn ni weld. Dyma cwestiynau cyflym.
I just have to turn around so you can see what I'm looking at. The speech bubble screen, so it's what we have to do. Okay, so you turn around if I said it, like you do in your... We do
So what you do in this game is you ask a question to the person playing, and if they answer positively, they throw it in the green hoop, and if they answer it negatively, they throw it in the red hoop. And if you get it through the hoop, you get a point.
I'm saying, because you were just getting is the blue speech bubble? The blue answer. If it's in a green speech bubble, you get the green answer. Okay? So,
my favourite subject is Welsh because Welsh is
Dyma
brilliant
Targed.
and Welsh is a skill. Go!
What you have to do in this game is you have to play a game of splat, where you have to hit the one that is translated in English when they say it in Welsh. Here's an example.
Gymraeg, achos mae'n siarad Gymraeg yn braf, mae siarad dwy iaith yn sgil.
Do you know what that means? My favourite subject is Welsh because speaking Welsh is brilliant and speaking Welsh is a skill. Okay, turn around. Princess gets a point. Oh, die. Okay, it was raining.
Green?
Oh, Julia! Okay, my Julia and Mariana. Okay.
The vision is that everyone is speaking Welsh outside on the yard. To help us with this, we decided to bring in a really exciting project. Our project was y gael sgiliau. Felly, beth ydy gael sgiliau? Well, the gael sgiliau is Skill Gardens. This is where we bring Welsh into PE. Pwy sy'n rhedeg y gael sgiliau? Our super crew run our gael sgiliau, but our super crew isn't just from the top end of the school. It's from the foundation phase to the key stage 2. Pryd mae gael sgiliau? We run our gael sgiliau ar dydd Mawrth a dydd Iau. Dydd Mawrth for the juniors a dydd Iau for the infants. Beth sy'n digwydd yn y gael sgiliau? In our gael sgiliau sessions outside, we play a variety of games to keep the children engaged. This develops their Welsh skills and their physical skills. It also encourages them to use Welsh outside the classroom. Mae gael sgiliau yn Sant Ffransis yn boblogaidd iawn.
Mae plant yn ymarfer ysgrifennu yn Gymraeg.
Dyma un fideos o Super Crew Cymraeg.
Croeso i gael sgiliau.
Nature a smart cool. Dyflwch bag bach cwch yn melon.
Pwy ydy Mae sef gefn
Dyflwch bobl bach.
Our gael sgiliau was extra provision for using Welsh outside the classroom. Top tip 5. Make sure to dig enough for all the success criteria from Targed Pedwar. Try and get everyone involved, not just a few people. This will make it a lot easier and will engage everyone to be using it, draw answers all the time. Top tip pedwar. Athrawon, teachers, this is for you. Make sure you're using as much Welsh as you can throughout the day. We love hearing our teacher go from English to Welsh, then from Welsh to English. Top tip 3, a super crew Cymraeg. Don't just involve a Cymraeg, bring in other people's as well. For example, we brought in our sports ambassadors which made our super crew Cymraeg. We now have a super crew to make Welsh even better at our school Sant Ffransis. Top tip 2, gwneud Cymraeg yn hwyl, making Welsh fun. Top tip 1, don't think about it, just go for it. Don't matter how much Welsh or how brilliant your Welsh is, just as long as you're using some and practicing some, soon Welsh will become something natural to your school. Elf and Danny.